Hey, Daya, look at me. What you doing? What are you walking home in?
In high heels.
Why are you doing that?
Because I wanted to.
Here, move the here. I want to see your face. Whoa, almost. Look, so we walked all the way from Jennifer's, and we're not even all the way home, and you're still wearing them?
Yeah.
Are they comfortable?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're not going to school one day.
No way.
Yes. I go in the car with them.
Sorry, say again?
I'll go in the car with them.
Here, look at me. Here, say it.
Or maybe go in the car or walk with them to school.
You're gonna wear high heels to school?
I want to.
What?